Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a new solenoid on an International 444. We've got our new solenoid here, and the tools you're going to need for this one, it's got Phillips, so you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and either the wrenches of the right size or an adjustable wrench like this. And then you're going to want to take the positive going to the battery and the two other terminals, and then the ground going to the starter all off. Okay, so we're going to start with the positive. Take the nut off, and then take the wires off. Make sure this doesn't ground out. We're going to wrap it in this rag so it doesn't ground out against the frame. Next, with your Phillips screwdriver, you're going to want to take the solenoid off. There's going to be two screws, one on either side. And then, to get the solenoid off after you have all the wires, you're going to want to twist. Be careful because there is a spring in here. And there we go. And make sure you don't lose your spring. Now we're going to take our spring again, put it in, and then twist. Line it up. And take our Phillips bolts, line them up and get them in. Hook it up, tighten the bolts up. We've got that. Last thing to do is hook up positive. And the bolt. There we go. Now let's make sure it works. Putting our key. Got the new solenoid all in. There we go. It's working good. That's gonna be it for this video install tutorial. Be sure to like and comment. Be sure to subscribe. See you guys next time.